Friends, today I'll demonstrate a solar project. It's very interesting for kids and for the beginner. It is very interesting and helpful also. And it is very handy and easy to see. Now we'll start from the end today. Can you see LEDs are blinking? You just check how many LEDs are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2, total 6 LEDs are there. Now I will remove one by one LED. First I am taking this one. 2, you see lights glowing more and more, and this and that also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, total 6 LEDs. But it will be very interesting. See the source now. Let's check the voltage. This it's giving around 2.2 volt. Here I am using mobile light as a source. Just a second, friend. See, when light will increase, it will give more energy. I'm taking this towards the mobile phone, and if you keep away, it will reduce the energy. Got it? Now use one LEDs. This is negative. I am using this yellow wire, and this is positive. This white wire I am using here. This is the positive part. See these. This. Now see. Check it. It is glowing. I am taking to the mobile phone, and what is it? It is glowing more and more. I am fixing another LED. Here this is positive and this is negative. This is two part. One by one I will fix 6 LEDs as you have shown at the beginning of this project. Now see, I am taking towards the mobile. Now it's more glowing more and more. See, if I block this panel, it will not generate any energy. See, I'm blocking using my hand. See, it's not glowing. Now it's glowing. Now that means it is producing energy, and that's why light is glowing. Now separate part one by one. Simple. This is generating 4 volt, around 4 volt. I'll show you again. This is positive and this is negative. Let's check my voltmeter. It's giving energy. If you take it towards the light source, so the voltage will increase. If you take away, or if you give your hand, that means it will block the light. Is it clear? Friends, if you have any queries, any suggestion, any advice, you can send it through the comments. I'll reply you. Thanks for watching my demonstration, and please subscribe my channel for getting more and more interesting videos. Thank you. Green LED instead of red. You can see this. If you take it in front of the solar system, that means if you use sunlight directly, you will get more energy. It will produce. But as I am using mobile phone, so it is getting less energy.